This is Professor Alfredo Gil Olivares Jr. and I'm going to show you that 1 is not equal to 7. Again, this is Professor Alfredo Gil Olivares. I'm going to show you that 1 is not equal to 7. Alright, go ahead and start this. So now, and oh, by the way, to get out of the heat, open 24 hours, mild margins, great food, great work, great boss. Anyway, let's go to this. 1 is not equal to 7. Okay, let's get this cash out of here. Get it out. So now, what's going to happen, you're going to get a Texas 10-day coast spring break with your 4 best friends will be there. So now, to go there, you need some money. And the way you're going to get the money is, again, 1 is not equal to 7. And I'll tell you what that means in a second. Now, you borrow $1,000. $1,000 on your credit card interest rate of 24% per year and agree to make monthly payments of $20.01 per month. Now, this is the exponential function that after you make 1 payment, 2 payments, so on, it'll give you the balance on the credit card. In other words, what you owe still. And P of T equals $20.01 is what you're making payments. Payment 1, payment 2, payment 3 tells you how much you've paid on that credit card. Now, graph both functions for 0t less than t less than or equal to 380. 0 less than or equal to t less than or equal to 380 months, because it's going to take a lot of months to get paid. So now let's do this. Let's do the first one. The exponential function. What we're going to do is, I'm going to do it in a graphing calculator because that's a lot easier. So what I'm going to do is, let's see if you can see it here. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in numbers in here. Let's see how it goes. I'm going to put negative 0.50, okay, negative 0.50, second ln, log function, parentheses, 0.02, parentheses again, and what do we want? A 0. We're going to see the initial amount that we have in there. Close it, enter, plus 1,000.50. Okay, hit enter. 1,000. Well, this is what you owe because you just got your loan. You got the spring break money, $1,000. So now you can do this. The other one's the same thing with a different number. So let's go from there. So now, y0 is 1,000. Put 1 in there. Same thing in the calculator. You're going to get 999.98, all these numbers. Y of 2, put it in the graphing calculator again, you're going to get 999 all these numbers. Put it in the Y of 3 in there, you're going to get all these numbers and that. See, it's going down a little bit at a time, right? A little bit. So now, let's keep going. 4 payments, you've made 4 payments so far. 4 months have gone by, you made payments of $20.01. So now it's this number. At 5, it's this number. 12, 1 year later, you made $999.86. You still owe. You owe that much money still. On that 60 months go by. That's 5 years later. 5 years later, you still owe $998.83, whatever. Keep going. Let's keep going. 120. 10 years have gone by since spring break ended, but you owe $994.98. What? And then 240. 20 years later. You still owe $939. What? 300 payments later, you owe $798. 346 payments, you owe $494. You're halfway there. Halfway there. Let me put that halfway there. H-A-L-F. Yes, halfway. Oops. Close enough. H-A-L-F. There we go. Boom. Half. We're half done. Yay. Got excited there. 360. 330. And then finally, payment number 380, you owe $1.40 something. Great. It's paid off. It's only what? 380 payments? Not bad. Now, here's a chart, a table. 0, 1,000, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 12 months, 60 months, 120, 240, 330, all the way to the last 308, which is $1.40 you owe. Now let's go to the payments you made. Ooh, 0 payments, so you haven't paid anything. 1 payment, you paid $20.01. And 2 payments, you paid $40.02. I keep going. It's okay. 3 payments, 4 payments. Let's keep going. 5 payments, 12 payments, 60 payments, 5 years. 10 years have gone by. You made payments. 240 payments, 20 years. You made payments. And 300 payments, 346 payments, 380 payments. Yeah, you paid this much money so far. So now, what happened? Let's check it out. First one. So P of T is at 0 is 0, 1, 2, 3, going 12 payments, 60 payments, 120, 240, 300, 346, 360, 380. There they are. You got the points. Now what we're going to do is go ahead and put these next to each other, side by side. Got the exponential function, the linear function. So now notice, 1,000 is what you borrow. You didn't have anything. You paid $20.01, but now you owe $999.99. I rounded it. 2 payments, you pay $40.02, but you owe $999.98. 3 payments, you pay $60.03, but you owe $999.97. 4 payments, you paid $80.04, but you still owe $999.96. 12 payments, you made $240.12 to it, but you still owe $999.86. Keep going. And you see the half right here? 346 payments, you owe $494, about half. 346, you already gave them $6,923.46, but you owe half of it still. And finally, at the end, you gave him $7,603.80, and you only owe $1.40. Easy to pay. So there's an exponential function, linear function. What does this graph look like? Let's check it out. Okay. What happens is you get $1,000 on your credit card. That's great. And as you make the payment, slowly, it's going to decrease. Right here, it's going to start here. 120 payments there, you owe $994. 240 payments, you owe $939 still. 300 payments, you owe $798. Finally, at payment number 380, you owe $1.40. Right there, see it? Exponential function. Now, these are months and these are dollars. Now, what about the payments? Payment. What's going to happen is this $1,000 right here is really going to cost you $7,603.80. So that 1,000 is really going to be $7,603.80 that you're going to pay from your checking bank account, whatever it is. So yes, 1 is not equal to 7. Well, kind of here it is, huh? More than 7 actually. But anyway, that's how it works. That's how the credit cards work. So, but think about it. You're in the coast, Texas coast, with your surfboard out there having fun in the waves. That's super great, I think. In fact, you could probably put on all your Hawaiian stuff, pretend you're in Hawaii, on your surfboard, put all your Hawaiian stuff on, and check out the water, and make sure your surfboard doesn't get broken like this Mad Shark broke right here. Okay? Or go to Hawaii if you got some cash in your bank. Holy cow, math monster. Money monster, yes. Credit cards are money monsters. Watch out for them. Because, holy cow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 and 7 more. Oh, that's 14. Holy cow. So, for 1, you're going to get 7. Think about it. And 1, you get 2, and then you're going to get 7, another 7. 1, you get 7, another 7. So what's more scary than this? Think about it. Is it Crunchy, the big giant roach guys? Is that more scary? No. Using that credit card, making those monthly payments, that's the scariest thing of all. Because 1 is not equal to 7. Well, 1,000 equals 7,000, whatever that number was, that giant number, 7,007, 1,007. You see, 1,000 was what? 700? 7,000, holy cow, when is equal to 7, huh? Well, 7,603 anyway. Oh, wow. Anyway, good luck. Careful with credit cards. Pay them off if you can. This is Professor Phil Galvez. You have a fun vacation on your spring break in Texas. Bye.